eastern Jasper County, northeastern Richland County, until 4:45 a.m. At 4:02 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Dundas, or near Olney, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Vincennes, Olney, Robinson, Lawrenceville, Sumner, Oblong, Palestine, Flat Rock, St. Marie, Willow Hill, Claremont, Russellville, New Hebron, Chansey, Birds, Hardinville, West Liberty, Stoy, Pinkstaff and Petrolia.